Your presentation will become more attractive if you can add some of the special effects that are available in PowerPoint. These effects, such as transitions and animation, can make your slide to tell your story by adding movement and activity to your slide. Animation can provide various parts of your slide with impressive activities, just like an actor in a movie or play would be. Besides an entrance effect, you can also give a selected object in your slide an emphasis, exit, or motion path animations. Using the animation pane, you can create sophisticated movements within a slide to tell your story sequentially by showing and hiding text, pictures, and shapes. A transition is an animated effect that appears when you go from one slide to another during the slideshow presentation. They are eye-catching movements with special effect between slides that you can add from Ribbon's transition tab. For transitions as well as animations, you can set the timing to happen when the presenter clicks the mouse or to happen automatically at preset intervals. You can also add movies or video clips from your local hard drives or directly from the internet website such as YouTube's. Plus, you can add recording narrations from your slide. Now, I would like to show you how to add transitions into your presentation. Transitions are movements such as fade, wiped, or other special effects that blend one slide into the next slide. You can apply transitions to some or all slides in your presentations. By setting up transitions, you will have to determine how long they last and determine whether they will happen with a mouse click by the presenter or automatically for a self-running show. To add transition into presentation, you will have to follow the following steps. First, click the animation tabs on the ribbon. For your convenience, please select the slide sorter view to make your job easier. In slide sorter view, select the slide or slides for which you want to apply transition. Use Control-click for individual slide. Use
Shift-click for sequential slides. Use Ctrl-A for all slides. You can click More to open more transaction types. Click to apply a content transaction. The PowerPoint will preview the selected slide with the transaction effect. Use the Effect option to fine-tune the movement of some transaction. You can click Apply to All to make the transaction you selected apply to all slides. You can use the transaction sound to add sound effect of the transaction for the selected slide. You can using the transaction speed to change the speed of transaction for the selected slide. You can clear transaction from all slides by clicking None in the transaction gallery and clicking Apply to All. So thank you for your listening.
Here, we will talk about using PowerPoint action tools. Any objects or text within PowerPoint can have a variety of action associated with it. Typical action include, for example, moving to a specific slide in the presentation or linking to a site on the internet. Make sure that the movement away from a given slide is obvious and possible. If the user doesn't know intuitively what to do when he or she is viewing a slide, then it is a bad design. Now, let's see the video.
To use PowerPoint action tools, you will have to follow the following steps. First, click the object on the slide and click the action buttons on the ribbon's insert tips. Open the Action Settings dialog box. Click an action you want to perform. For example, hyperlink to and show, and click OK. You can also create an action button on the slide in order to redirect your presentation. First, to create an action button on the slide, click the action button on the ribbon's insert tips. Choose which action button you want to add to the slide. Now, each action button has a default actions, but you can use the Action Setting dialog box to change the action. So thank you for your listening.
Sometimes you may want to add animation to a slide. If you think seeing all the text and objects on a slide at the same time are boring, animation can help you present information, such as bullet, in a sequential way and draw attention to each object as it was presented on a slide. You can use the animation pane to change the order of the animation effects. PowerPoint gives objects several different types of animation effects, such as emphasize, exit, or motion pass animations to build sophisticated slides. So let's see the video.
To add animation into your presentation, you will have to follow the following steps. First, please click the Animations tabs on the ribbon. Select an object to which you want to add an animation effect. You can also click the Custom Animation button to open the Custom Animation window. PowerPoint will open the Custom Animation window on the right side of the screen. The Custom Animations window shows the order of your animation effect. Click to apply an entrance effect. For example, click Fade. The chosen effect is previewed in the slide. If you want to change the sequence of the event, you should click the recorder arrow at the bottom of the animation window and move one above or below another. The sequential entrance of the bullets is shown in the slide. Click the drop-down arrow to expand the bullet. In Custom Animation window, you can adjust the timing and direction of the event. You can change the sequence of an animation effect by dragging out its icon in the animation pane. You also can drag one effect to happen after the other. You can use the Start drop-down arrow in the timing groups to adjust the delays, durations, and whether an effect is to occur when the present clicks the mouse or after a certain period after the previous effect has happened or with the previous effect. So thank you for your listening.
Using movie and video clips is a great way to tell you story by presentation. PowerPoint can integrate movie or video in a slideshow, allowing the presenter to click, to play, and pause the video or have it play automatically. PowerPoint natively support the WMV, that's the window media, and AVI and MPG video formats. It can also import MOV and SWF. The SWF is Adobe Flash Media formats under Insert Video from File. So let's see the video.
To use movies and videos in your presentation. You will have to follow the following steps. With the slide to which you want to insert video already selected, click the Insert Tips. In the title and content layout, you can also click the Media Clips icon in the content placeholders. Open the Movie drop-down menu in the tabs Media Groups and select Movie from Files. In the Insert Movie window, locate and select the video you want to insert. Click Insert to place the video in the selected slide. When you open a slideshow full screen to make a presentation, the slide with videos has the first active video frames. Click the frame to start playbacks. Click it again to pause. The Video Options tabs appear on the ribbon. You can use it to manipulate the videos. You can use the Format tabs in the ribbon's video tools to add a border or style to the appearance of your video in the slide. So thank you for your listening.